Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 1966 Ford Ranchero. It is a maroon red, nice deep color, $289 under the hood, black and white leather interior. Very, very, very nice condition. Go ahead and jump up here into the front. Sorry for the lawn machine noises in the background, but we're looking here. We're not listening quite yet. Excuse me, more of like a brownish red maroon interior. Except the AC blows nice and cold. Pop the tailgate down. Go ahead, jump up here into the driver's seat. Alright, let's go ahead, check her out under the hood, take her for a spin, put her on the hoist. Alright, let's take the Ranchero here for a quick spin down the street. Got the AC blowing nice and cold. Takes that bump nicely. Very nice, smooth acceleration. Maybe we should turn that air down just a little after this turn. Very, very nice, smooth ride there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and swing her around and put her up on the hoist.